Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to replace the laptop screen of my Schenker XMG P406 notebook with a new one. First, you have to open the display cover. There are two screws which need to be removed, but they are hidden under small rubber covers. So remove those first. After the two screws are removed, the front display cover part can be separated from the back part. Be very careful here, because it is easy to break some of the small clips which are holding the cover in place. After having removed the cover, we already have access to the screen. It is held in place by 4 screws. Just remove them and the display comes out. It is connected by a 30-pin connector to the main board, which can just be plugged out of the display. And that's it for the first part already. We have removed the original display. Now we just need to follow the previous steps in reverse order for the replacement screen. Connect the 30-pin connector to the new display. You can apply a strip of tape for some extra safety to hold the connector in place. Fix the display in place with the 4 screws. I have been able to find the replacement laptop screen on laptopscreen.com, and I will leave a link to it in the video description. Now comes the best part of the whole replacement procedure. Click the display cover back into its place. In my case, unfortunately, I have broken some of the small pins. Just pay attention in the first place to not break anything. Finally, screw in the 2 screws from the beginning where we started our little adventure. And let's see if it works. Alright, that's looking good. I'm even happy to see the Windows updates in this case. With this, I would like to thank you for watching this video, and I wish you good luck with swapping your laptop screens.